We need to prime the wall and then install the cosella-dorken Delta Vent SA. I'm able to find my sweet spot to start, which is critical. So I'm low enough I can touch my corner. I have somebody working with me now. How you doing over there? Okay, so now I can lay my membrane to where I want to lay it. Okay, there's a fully adhered sheet onto the sill area. The first thing we're going to do is cut out for the window. Okay, there's the window opening. Typical rule of thumb with any SA membrane, you need at least a 2-inch overlap here. So at the end of the day, you want to get that in tight to the inside corner. As you come down, there's a couple ways you can do that. The back of your Olfa knife generally fits into there fairly well. Okay, we have the sill membrane laid into the sill of the opening, vapor closed membrane. We're going to cut this membrane here. The idea is you work from the bottom up, so I want this piece to extend across from here. We're going to deal with the transition between the horizontal and vertical. We're going to interlay a gusset into this application. I'm going to try to find my 2 inches on the horizontal here. I got my 1 inch on here. Looks pretty good. Focus on that corner. Start to mold it around. Okay, so I'm going to dry fit my membrane. So I come down the wall. We're going to do the jambs now after the sill pan. We're going to use a Delta Vent SA by cosella-dorken. So now I need to return that around the corner. And work my way up. I'm simply going to trim the inside. The Delta Flex band is going to allow me to create a gusset here, and then I'll put the head on, okay? I'm going to work it around the corner. I want to go here. I want to go there. I'm going to pin the corner. I'm going to make sure I'm looking good. Same thing. Now I'm going to cut it up this way, bend it back in on top of my gusset. Through the middle. Similar to the other window, I'm going to set up my shims to elevate the window off of the sill so that water would be able to drain out if it ever entered the window, sub-sill drainage. I've now just tacked the window into the opening. I've centered it in its hole. Shims are set. I got a couple of screws. I now need to put the air seal cylinders before. I'm going to go around the back side, install the backer rod and the caulking, okay? Okay, I've installed the backer rod around the window on the inside. I'm now going to install the sealant for the air seal transition. The sealant has now been shot into the gap between the window and the membrane. I'm now going to tool it off, peel the tape off the window, and the window is now installed.